Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with AKA and Anile Tembe's story. So remember, it was so toxic back in 2021 to a point where Anile Tembe committed suicide slash murdered. So Ubeyicele believes ukuthi Anile Tembe was murdered. That's why Ubeyicele no babaka AKA bangazwani bangaboni gasolinye. He mentioned that looking at how the things were going 2021 to a point where Anile released a video aka angina forcefully laphana emnyango, and that time as a crash out Anile, and everyone thinks maybe aka was controlled by drugs. And umngani wakhe uNotha said something like aka knew deep family secrets ezakhabu Anile Tembe. That's why they didn't want to leave aka he believes ukuthi it was retaliated. Uthi, yeah, you killed our daughter and we'll also kill you. And mind you, this person after umngcwabo ka-Anile Tembe wahambile wayeposta ku-story sakhe ku-Instagram ukuthi piss on the grave afake leyo ngoma leyo amile like ehlathini so, and went kuma-interviews aloka phis asho ukuthi yena ubhadale ilobolo, and he didn't understand ukuthi why ifamily ka-Anile Tembe ingafunanga ukuthi akhulume stage while he paid full lobola and they were about to ukuthi bashade. And uNotha explained ukuthi wele wahamba no aka moshari ayoviwa umzimba ka-Anile Tembe, aka wafika wambamba washo ukuthi yo dog cold uyabanda ntontontoni. And Anile had what's this disorder, I think bekane bipolar disorder, so that's why beka crash out and all. And everyone believes ukuthi aka uthi mahlangana no Anile Tembe impilo yakhe yamosheka kakhulu. And lo muntu lo bekajana ubunang never azake wakhuluma like negama eli-one ngo-aka ujolile nabo like abafuni they don't want to come out and say maybe he did this to me, maybe he also did this to Anile Tembe, that's why Anile Tembe ended up committing suicide or umphushile vele laphayana. Because same time Anile Tembe wakhipha indaba yokuthi aka is on drugs and ntontontoni. And Ubeyicele case ka-aka ubhekise indaba ekutheni maybe the killers who killed the same Oba, who assassinated Oba, or DJ Somebody, because aka was friends with DJ Somebody. But fans were like, no, how come when Anile ashonele Cape Town and then when aka ashera location ake uTusedeben same night by Amdul. So maybe it's something that Tembe family said, okay, you came to our territory, then nawe futhi shuthi kumele uhambe ekhaya. And okubuhlungu kakhulu la guys ukuthi noSipho Zolo washona. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.